Hi, I'm Alan Beach. Today I'm here to help shop owners buy tires better and be able to negotiate a better price on your tires from your distributors. We all know that tires are a very low margin. Have a look at the chart that I've just put up. You can see here on an $800 sale, typically you'll make $200 at the best. That's an optimistic point. Usually you'll make anywhere from 20 to 25% margin on your tire sales. You can see that from your install, typically you'd charge $100 for your install and you'd make fairly good profit on that at $70. And then your supplies at $12, you'll typically make about $7. This gives you a bottom line of $277. Now that's not bad if you're busy all day long, but typically tire stores aren't that busy, especially if they're mechanical repair shops and they rely on the higher volume mechanical repair to pay the bills. So let's talk about a strategy to be able to negotiate a better price on your tires that you purchase from your distributors. So let's talk about 3 strategies to be able to negotiate a better price from your distributors. The first one is to join a buying group or a banner program. These are available typically through your distributor, and if you have a chat with them, they'll outline what programs they have. Be aware that not all these programs are created equally. Some of them require a major investment on your part, and you'll need to buy in and develop a strategy to be part of a group. They're oftentimes like co-ops. There's also programs that are much simpler, but they require branding on your part. They may require you to change your name or put a simple name like, say it's ABC Automotive. ABC Automotive and Tire Distributor. That may be required at the end of your name. So that's a difference. Other programs may have a small fee associated with them on a monthly basis. So there's very different programs. Some of them require you to be exclusive to one brand that you sell. Now that brand may have a host of different products. They may have a good, better, best within them, but they'll require you to be part of that program. So that's number 1, join a banner program or a buying group. Number 2, optimize your tire purchases. Now, let's say, for example, you have a major retailer just down the street and they sell one of the national brands and they have 100 stores, so they can get a much better buying program. Don't try to compete with that chain that has 100 stores. Choose a brand that they don't sell. And typically, why not choose a brand that goes with your customers? What am I talking about? Well, let me give an example. Say you have a repair shop and you focus on German car repair. Would it not make sense to have a German tire manufacturer as part of that? Let's say you fix Japanese cars. Why not have a Japanese tire that would be part of that? That would go hand in hand and would appeal to your customers. So that's number 2. Number 1 is become a part of a banner program. Number 2 is optimize your purchases. Number 3 is to be working on your inventory. Now, typically, the distributors will give you discounts and a booking discount to optimize your inventory, maybe twice or 3 times per year, depending on the busy season. And they'll allow you to buy a volume of tires at one time and get a better price. Say you'll get $2.50 off if you buy 50 tires from them. And they might extend that discount all the way through that season till a certain point if you do the qualifying purchases. Now, be aware that tires have dates on them, okay? And they effectively have a stale date on them. And I wouldn't, in my experience, wouldn't want to be selling tires that are over 5 years old. Now you can see on the screen here, I put up a tire date and the last 4 digits tell when the tire was made. The first 2 tell the week of manufacture and the last 2 tell the year of manufacture. So you can see in this example is 2910. That means it's purchased that is manufactured in the 29th week of 2010. Now, so typically, most jurisdictions don't have laws around how old you can sell tires, but good business practice says you shouldn't be selling a tire over 5 years old. Now, there's lots of people that will disagree with me on that, but that's my opinion. So be aware that when you buy tires on a booking order, be aware of how old the tire is, and make sure you negotiate that you can return the tires if they don't sell within that season. So there's my 3 strategies on getting a better buying program from your distributor. So we've implemented the 3 strategies. Let's figure out how well we did. So in the first example, you can remember that we paid $100 for the tire and we sold it for $133. $33 profit divided by the selling price of $133 gives us a 25% margin. So we implemented the 3 strategies. We became part of a banner program, and typically a banner program you'll make anywhere from 5 to a maximum of 10% additional buying power. So you'll make an extra $10 on that. So that's number 1. So you did good. Number 2, we were part of our seasonal booking program, and we got an extra $2.50 per tire for booking 50 tires. So therefore we got an extra $2.50 there. And the third one, and I neglected to mention it earlier, when you optimize your purchases to one manufacturer, oftentimes they'll give you a quarterly rebate, depending on your growth of your tire sales. So let's say we made an extra $2 on that one. That gives us a total price of $14.50 in additional buying power. So we paid, instead of making $33 on our sale, we now made $47.50 on top of the $133 selling price. So if you divide that $133 into the $47.50, we now made 35% margin. This is almost unheard of when it comes to tire margin. So this is great by implementing these 3 strategies. Now, so that puts you from, in the first case, we made $277 on a set of 4 tires. Now we made $357. So this is an incredible addition. So there's one final area that the tire manufacturers and the tire distributors may be open to giving you more money on. So oftentimes they'll have co-op advertising programs, and they'll aggregate anywhere from 2 to 3% of your purchases over the course of a year, and they'll give it back to you at certain times if you follow their guidance on how to advertise. You've got to advertise with their name, and they'll give you that money back. So that's an additional source of revenue that you can get back from the tire company, and it can contribute to a major event if you wanted to sell a lot of tires. Remember, the purpose of tires is to bring new customers in or maintain your existing customers so that you can grow your business. So if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's been great to have you here today. I hope to see you soon.